Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada is proud to be starting the production of the all-new Lexus NX and Lexus NX Hybrid. In 2003, TMMC became Toyota's first facility entrusted to produce Lexus vehicles outside of Japan, a tremendous honor within the Toyota family. And we have since built more than 1.3 million Lexus RX and Lexus RX Hybrid vehicles. Now, we'll be the first plant outside Japan to be producing two different Lexus models, adding the Lexus NX, another amazing product, to one of the fastest growing segments in the North American market. Being trusted to build the NX and the NX hybrid luxury vehicles reflects the trust that Toyota Motor Corporation has in our world-class Canadian team members, our commitment to quality, and our customer focus. Like Lexus, TMMC's culture is extremely focused on quality. In fact, this commitment to quality has made us one of the very best automotive manufacturing companies in the world. Through the hard work and dedication to quality of our team members, TMMC has earned a total of 20 J.D. Power awards, more than any other manufacturing plant in the Americas, and second most of any plant globally. We're also extremely proud to be building yet another carbon-reducing electrified vehicle here at TMMC. Not only are we Canada's largest auto manufacturer, we're also Canada's leading maker of electrified vehicles. TMMC has been producing high-tech electrified vehicles, including the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and the Lexus RX Hybrid, for almost a decade. We've invested over $9 billion in our Canadian production facilities so far, and we're already producing North America's best-selling hybrid SUV and the best-selling luxury hybrid SUV. Now, we're adding the all-new Lexus NX and NX Hybrid, both absolutely loaded with the latest technology, and their production has meant a significant investment to TMMC. You may have also recently heard that several exciting new electrified products will soon be joining our North American lineup. Toyota has always had a well-defined plan for electrification, and we've always said that a battery electric vehicle would be a part of that plan, whenever the time was right in each market. Our recent investments ensure that Toyota's Canadian plants are well positioned to build any vehicle the company asks us to build, including the most advanced electrified models that will be coming to the market over the next few years. Toyota's plants in Canada are recognized for our innovation, and along with our people, we see this as one of our biggest competitive advantages when it comes to attracting future investment. To make sure this remains a competitive advantage, we'll work with our government partners to ensure continued investment. The people at Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada, all 8,500 of us, are looking forward to the future. We're proud to be crafting the all-new Lexus NX and Lexus NX Hybrid right here in Canada. And we know our Lexus guests will experience that pride every time they drive our vehicles.
What is the most exciting thing for me about this launch and what it means for TMMC? There are so many firsts with this launch. The first plant outside of Japan to build two Lexus vehicles. Our first time building Toyota and Lexus on the same line, and the first time outside Japan. And the chance to transform our Cambridge facility into a Lexus plant, building the most popular Lexus vehicles. This has been an opportunity for TMMC to showcase the things that make us great, our world-class team members, our commitment to quality and customer focus, all the things that contribute to a great Lexus mindset. What I love most about the Lexus brand is the Lexus motto, "We can, we will." The passion and drive which are central to Lexus and which differentiate TMMC. The pursuit of perfection, so similar to the ideals that drive us every day to try harder. How does the Lexus brand and mindset change how we do what we do at TMMC? Our culture is already very good and very quality focused, but we are striving for perfection. We have a common goal, to pursue perfection in everything we do. We have the Lexus mindset, skill set, and process capabilities, and these are central to Lexus and very important for what we do every day. My wish for TMMC team members is that we will earn and receive the recognition that our team members deserve for their ongoing commitment to quality. We want to achieve the global best, and we will truly celebrate this great milestone.
The all-new Lexus NX.